Hello, good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Laarni P. De Guzman from La Paz, Tarlac, Philippines. I am 34 years old, married. I have 3 kids, 1 boy and 2 girls. I am a high school graduate. My height is 160 centimeter. My weight is 64.5 kilogram. My hobbies are taking care of children, playing with them, singing, and dancing. I have working experience in Hong Kong for 1 year and 7 months. My duties and responsibilities are 1 adult and taking care a 2 years old baby girl. I send and fetch her in the school. I feed her, make her sleep, take her a bath, changing her clothes, and I play with her. And also the household chores like cleaning the house, doing the laundry, ironing clothes, washing dishes, marketing, and cooking. And I have working experience in Kuwait for 9 months. I serve 8 members of the family, 6 adults and 2 kids. The kids are 13 and 9 years old. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the kids, cleaning the house, doing the laundry, ironing clothes, washing dishes, and help my employer to cook. I want to apply in Hong Kong again because I want to earn money for my kids' studies and save money for their better future. And before this introduction ends, I want to sing a song. A title of the song is The Itsy Bitsy Spider. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dry about the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. I hope you like my song. Thank you. And for my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm a hard-working woman, honest, and trustworthy. And I will do all my best duties and responsibilities. And I promise I will treat and love your children as my own children too. I hope I will be working on you very soon. Thank you and God bless.